Ever wondered how the wind of change in the stock market can fill your sails? Welcome to the world of Options Delta. This powerful concept is your compass in the stormy seas of trading. Options Delta is the rate at which the price of an option moves compared to the price of the underlying asset. Simply put, it's how much your options price will change if your stock price changes by 1 unit. If delta is high, your option price moves more with the stock price. If it's low, it's less sensitive. Imagine two boats. One is a speedboat, the other a sailboat. The speedboat races with every gust of wind, while the sailboat moves more slowly. That's your high and low delta. But why should you, a shrewd trader, care? Because understanding delta can help you predict your potential profit or loss. It's like seeing the storm before it hits, giving you time to adjust your sails. Remember, every trade can be a profitable one if you know how to read the winds of the market. So stay sharp, stay informed, and let the Options Delta guide your journey. Before you set sail, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more insights to help you navigate the trading seas. This is your captain signing off until our next voyage together.